this video, I'm going to introduce to you a very important module that I have built within the course. It's about the Zoom meetings that take place. The Zoom meetings are not required, but they are certainly helpful to anyone who can attend. And we meet at regular times. So I just wanted to highlight this and point it out to you. To connect to a Zoom meeting, you can click on this Zoom button right here, and it will show you the link address. Or you can click right here within the module I've created. The first thing under the module lists the dates and times that we meet. So I'm going to open this up, and you can see that we meet on Mondays and Tuesdays from 10:30 to 12, and then from Thursdays from 11:30 to 1. And here's the link right here where you can go to the meeting. So if there's a change to the schedule, I will send an announcement, but that's what you can find right there. Now, I'm going to go back to the modules page and show you what is under the second thing you can find in this module. And so this is a list that's being built, you can see. But if I click on this one, for instance, the recordings from week 2, what you'll find is a link to those meeting recordings, so any student who is not able to attend live can watch and listen to it later and learn. I have the date and then a brief description of the discussion that took place. For instance, on Tuesday we discussed horizontal and vertical asymptotes, limits at infinity, slope of a tangent line, and the greatest integer function. That's what the students wanted to talk about and what we talked about. So you can see what was discussed and if you're interested in looking into those.